Have you wondered how you can use AI to generate your very own anime images just for free? If yes, then you've come to the right video, because in today's video, we'll learn how we can use Canva to generate our very own anime images in just a matter of seconds. So without further ado, I'm Shabir from Web Creators, and let's get started. First of all, you're going to go to Canva. I'll give the link in the description below, then click over here. As you can see, I'm using a free trial, so I'll just go over here, click more, search for logo. You can use anything, but I specifically like logos to be created and such things, so I'll click over there. Then choose any image you like. I'm going to write. I've already chosen one, so I'm going to go to apps. Click search for anime file. Click enter. Click over here. Upload your image which you have chosen. Then it will take some time to proceed. Just so you know, it might take some time if your image is quite bigger, so you'll have to wait, but it's worth it. You all know that. It's almost done. Yeah, there you go. It says that Anime has successfully uploaded your image to the media. Then click on put image as background, and there you go. Your images have been animated. And that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Bye.